I have this Kingston Go Data Traveler flash drive. When I insert it in my MacBook, after a short delay, this screen comes up. The disk you inserted was not readable by this computer. So we can just ignore that. I'm going to open the Finder, and we can see here that it's not recognized in the locations. So go to Applications, Utilities, Disk Utility. So here we can see that it's showing. It's not mounted, but it is showing. So I'm going to select it, go to Erase. Warning: be advised that this procedure will permanently erase the entire contents of your flash drive. If the flash drive can be read by another device, use that device to back up all files. What we're going to do is format it so that it will be recognizable. You can name it if you like. I'll leave it as untitled. Format as MS-DOS and master boot record. Then hit Erase. And that's it. It's done. So now we can see there it is there, being recognized. Get rid of that. You can see there it is. It's ready to be used. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.